Yep, let's just watch that airplane land. Very first landing of the 777X. And you can hear the crowds cheering for it. Beautiful landing.
Beautiful takeoff, beautiful landing. So for the last 4 hours, the airplane, the pilots have been exercising the XXX's systems and controls as part of a detailed test plan.
Yeah, let's take a look at where the airplane's been flying today. We took out a Payne Field.
Let me stop. They're looking. The wingtips are folding right now.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Thank you. Look at those wingtips folding up.
That's great.
And Ted, that's automatic?
Yeah, on landing it's automatic. They get below 50 knots and the wingtips will fold.
Very cool. So as